Hello, my nature-loving friends. I thought I would create some sort of Christmassy thing for Christmas. So I'm gonna try and make a Christmas tree. So here we go. I have a sassafras leaf that I was going to use as the skirt of the tree. I got my little partner here in crime. She's going to help me out with my piece here. You want to say hello, Ella?
Hello.
Okay, now what do we put on? Ornaments, yeah? You want to help me put some on?
Sure.
There we go. What do you think? That looks pretty good? Okay. I hope you like our Christmas tree. Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year!
I hope y'all enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching. Bye!